welcome to our English class. I am Rajendra Babu standing before you with today's topic. The topic is keeping quiet. It is taken from Flamingo. First, let us discuss about the author. Pablo Neruda is the pen name of Neftali Ricardo Reyes Basalto, who was born in the town of Parral in Chile. Neruda's poems are full of easily understood images which make them no less beautiful. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1971. Now, let us see the poem. Now, we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. We will count to 12. 12 means here it is represented as time. Our poet is asking us to count 12. Already we will believe that whenever we are in anger mode, then our elders said that to count until 12 to lessen our angry. So here also he is asking us to count until 12, and in these two lines he used alliteration, figures of speech alliteration, that is we will, and he is asking us to keep still without moving. Everybody in the world, he is asking us to keep still and think for some time. For once on the face of the earth, let us not speak in any language. We know that many languages are existed in the world. So he is asking everybody in the world, those who are speaking different kind of languages, asking everybody to stop talking so that we can stop many problems in the society. So he is asking everybody to stop talking and be still. Let us stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. At least stop for 1 second. 1 second means for some time here. So let us not move arms. Here he is asking us, poet is asking us, don't move our arms. Here arms are represented as either our hands or any weapons. That means he is asking us to stop our arms, or he is asking us to using arms in the society. It would be an exotic moment. Exotic means something exciting. Really keeping still without moving. It's an exotic moment. He is describing it's an exotic moment. That means it shows exciting and unusual thing in the world. That means what is the unusual thing? Keeping still and without moving, without speaking any language, and those who are wherever the people are, they have to stand still and they should not do any work. Without rush, without engines. We should not rush for anything, and even engines, we should not. Engines comes under either machines or trains. Engines will not move, or nobody should rush towards their works. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Again he used alliteration, we would. That means WW is repeated here. Wa sound is repeated here. So it comes under alliteration. So if we do like this, he is saying that it is really a sudden strangeness. Sudden strangeness means a kind of quiet peace. A kind of quiet peace and calm in the society. If all are there without doing any works, without moving their arms, what will happen? We can see a sudden strangeness in the society or in the world or on the earth. The sudden strangeness is quiet, peace and calm. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. Let us go for fishermen. We know that fishermen will hunt for fishing. They will go to the seas and they will hunt different kind of fishes. So he is asking all the fishermen, not for long time, just for some time. He is asking the fishermen not to hunt the fish, so that at least some fish or some whales will be protected for some time. That means what is his intention? Maybe the nature or environment will be protected for some time. This is only sudden strangeness. And the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. And we know that most of the people, those who are living beside the sea, always they will gather salt. At that time, they will hurt their hands. While gathering salt, they will hurt their hands. So the poet is asking them to stop their work so that their hands will not hurt. And he is asking them to stop their work and think for new creativity. He is asking them to think for new creativity. Stop. Those who prepare green wars. Here green wars are nothing but war against nature and environment. That means he is asking, the poet Pablo Neruda is asking us not to harm environment or nature for some time. Wars with gas. Wars with gas means chemical wars. Wars with gas means chemical wars. Wars with fire. And he is asking us to stop all these. That means he is not asking, he is asking the people not to indulge or not to involve in any green wars or in any wars with chemicals or wars with fire. Victory with no survivors. So at last he said that if all will fight together against nature or with chemicals or with fire, victory will come, but nobody will be survived on the earth. Then what is the use of all these wars? This is his intention. So he is asking people, don't involve in any war for some time. All should keep still. All should not move. Everybody should be calm and everybody should maintain peace for some time. This is only called keeping quiet. Here he used a repetition called wars. And he is asking, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. He is asking to put on clean clothes. Put on clean clothes. That means he is asking stop all the wars and he is asking to maintain peace so that a brotherhood will be developed among the people. If we stop all these activities, his intention is that brotherhood would be developed, and he is asking to go and behave like brother with everybody in the world. Shade. Here shade is represented as peace. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Here total inactivity is related to death. That means he is not asking us to do until our death. He is asking us to stop all these activities for some time. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. That means poet, he don't want to associate anything with death. His intention is that he don't want to associate. That means no truck with death means not to associate with death. If we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving. Here, if we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving, that means single-minded. His intention is that everybody in the world is thinking like single mind. That means single-minded means always he is concentrating on his destination. He is concentrating to complete his task. But for some time, if we ask about other creatures in the world, if we ask about other human beings in the world, that means he is asking to stop that. Don't think like with single mind. He is asking to think about the world and he is asking to protect the world for some time. That's why he asked everybody to keep quiet for some time. And for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness. Interrupt this sadness. Sadness means understand oneself. He is asking us to understand others also. Understand others' opinions and others' behaviors also. Should respect other opinions and behaviors. It is his personal intention. of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. So most of the people in this world, they were working hard because they have one fear, that is our death. That means they wanted to complete their task to before their death. That's why don't fear of death. Threatening means fear. Don't fear of death and don't involve like a materialistic life. Don't lead a materialistic life. Think about someone. That is the intention of this poet, and he is giving clear clarity. Sorry, he is giving clear clarity that we should not continue until until our death, these kind of activities. That means everybody should move, should keep still for some time. Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. He's saying that life is under apparent stillness. That means behind there will be life under apparent stillness. Apparent stillness means here sometimes earth looks like dead thing. Earth looks like dead thing, especially in winter season because of snow and fog. But after that season, when other season will come, then the earth looks alive. The earth looks alive. So now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. That means the poet, the first line, again he repeated the first line. That means he said that I will count up to 12. I will count. Who is I here? Poet. I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. He is asking all of us to keep quiet. That means he wants to go from here. But remaining all the people should keep quiet to protect all the things which are existing in the world, which are existing on the earth. So at last the poet's intention is that if we keep quiet for some time, then almost we can protect many things in the world and we can go for self-analysis. That means he is asking everybody to go for self-analysis. Self-analysis means we are doing many works. Then why we are doing all these works? We have to analyze ourselves. Then we can understand. Whenever we analyze ourselves, then we can understand that why we are rushing towards all these. Everybody will get idea that not only our life, many are existing here. So we will get idea that we have to protect other things along with our life. Thank you.